Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and check Medicaid status. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now let's get into it. If you would like to do that, all you have to do is access your browser on your computer or your phone and access this official website of Medicaid by simply typing in medicaid.gov. Once you're over here, all you have to do is scroll down a bit and tap on this option of Learn how to apply for coverage. What this will do is it will simply let you seek out the map where you will be able to select a state according to your Medicaid account or Medicaid plan. First of all, drop down. I can choose a random state or tap and go to that particular state. Again, you have this option, your map over there on top. So for example, if you would like to know your medical status for a particular place, all you have to do is simply choose to tap on this Department of Healthcare Service below that particular state of yours. You will be able to access the official website where you will be able to enter your credentials of your account, like your password, email, and then you will be able to seek out your ID number, your activity status, etc. But all you have to do is simply access your website of Medicaid official and go to your particular state and simply tap on this particular link, and then you will be able to get and check out the current status of your account on that particular website of yours. So this is the simple way for you to do so. Make sure to follow the prompts accordingly on the screen once you have accessed their official tab, and you will be able to seek out the status. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.